Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Salman and welcome to my channel Bio की पाठशाला and today we will discuss about the spermatogenesis. So what is the definition of spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is a process in which production of the sperm, so it is called of spermatogenesis. So sperm means gamete and genesis means production. So sperm production it is called of spermatogenesis. So where this spermatogenesis process occurred. So testis, if we talk about, for example, it is a testis, and these testes contain the lot of the seminiferous tubules, and this is inside the seminiferous tubule. These spermatogenesis is occurred. Okay, and spermatogenesis process is divided by three phases: multiplication phase, growth phase, and finally the maturation phase. And if you talk about the multiplication phase, the spermatogonium cell is converted into the primary spermatocyte cell. So this phase is called the multiplication phase. Only maturation, only multiplication, that means spermatogonia is divided again by again. And with the help of mitosis process, the spermatogonia, that means contain the 2n nucleus, is converted into the primary spermatocyte cell. So it is a primary spermatocyte cell, and this primary spermatocyte cell is contain the 23 pairs of chromosomes. If we talk about in the case of human beings, so in the case of human beings, the 23 pairs chromosome is contained the inside the spermatocyte cell, and it is also known as 2n nucleus. And with the help of meiosis second process, this primary spermatocyte cell is converted into the secondary spermatocyte cell. Okay, if we talk about the growth phase, so if we talk about the growth phase, so primary spermatocyte production and primary spermatocyte increase. The growth means increase the size cell and increase the permeability of the cytoplasm. So it is called of growth phase. So you can see picture, it is a primary spermatocyte cell and growth phase. So it is a whole process is the growth phase. So production of the primary spermatocyte with the help of mitosis process. So it is phase of growth phase. And finally this primary spermatocyte cell is converted into the secondary spermatocyte cell with the help of meiosis first. So it is a picture of the primary spermatocyte cell is converted into the secondary secondary spermatocyte cell. It is also contain the 2n nucleus in the case of 23 pairs of chromosome in the case of human beings. And the secondary spermatocyte cell is converted into the spermatid cell with the help of meiosis second. So it is process started the maturation phase. So maturation process is started from the secondary spermatocyte cell. So secondary spermatocyte cell is converted to the spermatid with the help of meiosis second, and one secondary spermatocyte cell is converted into the two spermatid. That means one secondary spermatocyte cell is converted into the 2n nucleus, spermatid cell, and 2 that means ki 4 spermatids, and these 4 spermatids contain the 23 chromosome, that means n nucleus is contained the n nucleus. And finally this process, the maturation phase of the last period, with the help of spermiogenesis process, the spermatid is converted into the spermazoa. So it is called of sperm cell. Okay, so let's see again, we will discuss the spermatogonia is converted to the primary spermatocyte cell with the help of mitosis process, and this primary spermatocyte cell is converted into the secondary spermatocyte with the help of meiosis first, and these secondary spermatocyte cell also contain the 2n nucleus, that means 23 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosome. And secondary spermatocyte cell is converted into the spermatid, and it is contain the only n nucleus, that means 23 chromosome only. And with the help of spermiogenesis process, this spermatid is converted to the sperm cell, that is a sperm cell. It is also known as a spermzoa, and is contain the only n nucleus, that means 23 chromosome. So this process is called spermatogenesis, and spermatogenesis process occurred inside the seminiferous tubules of testes. Okay, if you like this video, so like, share, and doesn't forget press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video.